string coming down. All right, guys, it's 7 degrees out. I'm here, Drew's here, Alder's here. We're having a great time. I don't know why I'm in 7-degree weather right now, but here we are. All right, everybody, we are back again. If you are just joining the channel for the first time, my name is Tiffany Stone, and this is TStoneApproved. So thank you so much for joining us. If you've been here before, thanks for being here again. But we are doing something a little bit different. Why are you so far away from me again?
Cooties.
Cooties. Anyways, I had a really good intro for this one. We are somewhere iconic, if you guys can tell.
One of the greatest movies ever.
I'm pretty tired. Think I'll go home now.
Their adventure ended here.
Where our adventure is going to begin. And where our adventure is ending is...
Ending?
Well, starting when we drive there.
Our adventure's starting here.
Okay, our adventure's starting
and we're continuing north to Moab. But we're not staying in Moab, which is where we normally go. Where are we going? Don't say it. We're going to a place where the beer flows like wine and the women instinctively flock like the salmon of Capistrano. Talking about a little place called
Aspen.
A place where the beer flows like wine. Where beautiful women instinctively flock like the salmon of Capistrano. I'm talking about a little place called Aspen.
I don't know, Lloyd, the French are assholes.
I don't know, Lloyd. The French are assholes.
Aspen. Anywho, but yes, we are going to Aspen. I got a weekend off, so we are checking some things out. We're going to X Games, so shout out to...
Is this what we do? We zoom in ourselves?
Yeah, we can zoom in ourselves.
Then we zoom back
Zoom
out.
Well, I don't know. But anyways, we're going to Aspen. We are going to X Games. Snowmobiles are back, and Drew was in the snowmobile industry before I met him. So he's really excited that they decided that they were going to come back this year. We made a few phone calls, and now we are on our way to Aspen. We're going to Aspen. We'll be right back. All right, so we just checked into our hotel. Best Western Canyonlands, which is amazing if you're ever here. And now we are at our favorite restaurant here, Pasta J's. Are you excited? What are we getting? Pasta. We're getting pasta. Ooh, they have green chili ravioli. Got you in. Ooh. Thank you. Look at this. So dinner was amazing. If you are ever there, like I said, go to Pasta J's. I ended up getting the lasagna, which is only on special for Wednesday night.
It is brisk out.
It is brisk out, but we decided we're going to the pool. Or I'm sorry, not the pool, because the pool's clearly closed. But we are going to the hot tub. I brought myself a little drink. If you know a thing or two about Cutwaters, you know a thing or two about Cutwaters, but we are just gonna enjoy the hot tub for a little bit and then get on the road tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, everybody.
Let me check, hold on. Yep, you got it.
We got it. I already recorded this once at the Moab Coffee Roasters and messed that up. But anyways.
We got a beautiful view of the other side of the street.
Well, here we are, day 2 of our adventure. Good morning. Leaving Moab today, we are actually heading over to Aspen. Cheers. Stop by our favorite coffee spot, Moab Coffee Roasters. Got a little snickerdoodle. What'd you get?
I don't remember. No, macchiato, American style.
American style macchiato. But yes, we are leaving this beautiful area.
You know, this latte, it's tragic what they're doing to this town, but this latte is to die for. And I will give anyone the crisp virtual high five if you can tell me what movie that's from.
Let me know down below. Don't worry, we're gonna be back. Just got confirmed, coming back for the 60th anniversary of Easter Jeep Safari right back here in Moab in just a little bit. What is happening to me today?
It's early, you haven't drank much coffee. Many coffees.
Many coffees. All right, gotta go. My arm's getting tired. We're heading it to Aspen.
X Games.
X Games, here we go. What?
We're never gonna get there.
How high do you think I can get?
That's the fun of it.
Okay, ready?
Not bad.
Volleyball. That was a good one.
It was.
Here we come. You excited?
Yes.
I'm excited. Also, guys, little known fact, this is my first time to any X Games. I've been to Aspen once. A friend of ours got married in Vail. We had some time off, so we came here, but I am so excited for this. Here we are.
That wasn't when we came to Aspen.
Yeah, it was.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, when was it?
We came to Aspen because we were in Glenwood Springs for my birthday.
Oh.
And we didn't know what else to do. And we were already at the hot springs, and I was like, let's just go to Aspen. So we came to Aspen to go to Escobar and show you around because I've never been here in the summer. So that was weird to me. Am I getting pulled over right now?
I don't know what's happening. No, she's just blocking traffic. She's actually about to run over a cone, guys. Oh, there he goes to look at it. Anyways, all right, so I've only been to Aspen once, but here we are. Let's go see if we can find a good friend of ours. You know who it is. So anyways, I told you we were running into somebody really awesome. Obviously, we are partners. Yeah, we are partners in crime. You see us everywhere. The Mint, off-road races, Brandon. Last week I was in sand, and now we're in snow. But awesome, Jim Beaver. I'm super excited that you're here. Tell us a little bit about what you're going to be doing.
I am calling Snowmobiles. I guess first off, Snowmobiles are back, which is a big thing. They haven't been here in 6 years. So Snowmobiles back at X Games, 2 disciplines, freestyle, speed, and style. And they brought me in, and I'm going to be one of the announcers for Snowmobile, along with Levi LaValle, and then obviously your traditional X Games commentator. So really excited to be here for Snowmobile action. Stoked that it's back at X Games, and you guys need to tune in because we need to keep engines in Winter X Games.
Well, with that being said, Jim said a long time ago he was never coming to X Games unless he was invited to do the broadcast. So congratulations.
My first X Games.
First X Games, my first X Games. We're gonna go see what we can get into later today. I heard there's some pre-ski things going on, some cocktails, but we'll be right back. You weren't kidding, Jim.
It doesn't put it into perspective on TV.
Hold on, will you hold this so I can see how? That's so awesome. You can pull the hamstring coming down.
Later that same whoopsie-doodle day.
Well then, welcome back everybody. So we checked into the hotel, we grabbed some food at the
We didn't, all three of us. Those two checked into the hotel. Let's be honest here. Jim was not a part of that.
Jim's got his own room.
Okay, Drew and I checked into the hotel, came back to downtown, met up with Jim, went to Zane's Tavern for some food.
It's voted best dive bar in Aspen, and it checks out. Like in a good way. It was in a good way.
So
good place.
We are heading over. We're making our little walk through. We are going to the Snow Lodge. Jim's friend named Kendall. Her real name's Kendall, but she is a sweet DJ, so we are going to the Snow Lodge. I don't know what we're gonna get into, but I don't have to work. Jim doesn't have to be to work till later. Drew might be taking us home. Not together, not together, man. No, man, okay.
Drew will not be taking you home tonight.
All right, we're done. We're done. Where are we at now, Jim?
We are here at the Jade Room or the Jade Lounge, but my good friend Kendall, she is slaying it on the turntables.
On the 1 and 2.
The next morning.
Good morning, everybody. Making our way. It's day 2 here in Aspen.
Technically, it's day 1 of X Games.
Technically, day 1 of X Games. Can you hold this? My hand's getting tired. No, film it on us.
Oh.
On both of us. All right, so it's day 1 technically of X Games, day 2 of being in Aspen, but we had heard that there is a huge snowstorm coming in for the next 2 days. So we're gonna have our winter wonderland and then we're gonna be out, right?
Yeah, we're leaving Sunday morning.
We're leaving Sunday morning, but day 2, gonna go grab some breakfast, then take the shuttle back over to Buttermilk Mountain and see what we can get into.
Which says snowmass everywhere. So I don't quite understand that.
Are they making snow?
Where?
Right there?
No, that's the storm rolling in.
Oh. Here's the storm that I thought, the snow that I thought they were making when it's really just a storm. It's all good though.
Storm rolling in through the valley.
There we go.
You can see where they made snow on that mountain though, so you have a valid reason to think that.
Right there.
Yeah, how like there's just a swath of snow in the middle of nowhere.
But that in the middle of the two is a storm rolling in. All right guys, so we finally made it back to Buttermilk Mountain. You can see that we've got a great view of the super pipe right here. Babe, what's that called again?
Slope style.
The slope style.
And it's where the knuckle huck is.
And where the knuckle huck is. But behind me, you can see that Mother Nature is ramping up those snow machines so we can get a lot of snow here. Pretty excited. We've seen some women snowboarders hit right over here. So we're gonna see what we can get into for the rest of the day. Woohoo!
You spun it the wrong way.
No, I spun it the correct way, so it went this way. I don't want to see till it's done. Tell me when it's done. I'm manifesting a hat.
Okay, turn around.
Small item, what is it?
Anything from this.
Awesome, thank you.
No, go the other way.
Oh, that's all right. You got this.
Oh!
Oh,
I was close.
well, thanks for playing.
Thanks.
All right, the time has come. Mother Nature finally made its way through. We are making our way. It's getting a little busier. Just had some lunch. Maybe heading back to the hotel to hop in the hot tub. And then come back later on. I guess snowmobiles are going on at 8:35 p.m. So we'll be there. Hey guys, so we finally made it back to X Games. You're more than welcome to go, and you want to be in my video? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. So we're here, finally made it back to X Games. We're coming in. This is Marty. Marty, is this your first time here? It is, yes. It's my first time here. Okay. Let's just hug it out. Okay. That's awesome. You're from Wisconsin?
Well, in Minnesota.
Oh, so is he. We're in Minnesota.
From Edina.
Cake eater. I'm from Grand Rapids.
He's from Michigan. Okay. So here we go. What's your name?
Kit.
Kit? Like K-I-T-T, like the car?
Just one T.
One T.
The car had two T's.
Okay. Well, here we are, finally X Games. We've met some great people. Stellar. Can't wait to continue this night.
Let's hear it. Give a warm welcome, Disco Live. One more time, round of applause for your gold medalist, Red Turcotte, and your podium for Snowmobile Freestyle.
How you feeling, babe?
1 nanosecond later.
guys, we are here another day, and we've got Drew again, Jim Beaver. Shout out to Jim Beaver for doing such a great job yesterday. But you guys have seen her before on my Instagram, some stories. Jim is good friends with Kendall. She invited us up again to go out on stage, so it's really, really awesome. There's Kendall. Hi. All right, we're going to do this.
Are you ready for Snowmobile? So yes. Well, big no-handed backflip.
Many chilly hours later.
All right, guys, it's 7 degrees out. I'm here, Drew's here, Alder's here. We're having a great time. I don't know why I'm in 7-degree weather right now, but here we are. All right, everybody, if you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Now, X Games, Winter X Games especially, was a vibe. The music, the friends, the athletes, the events, the snow, the experience, it was really, really cool. So thank you guys so much for following along. Next place I'm going to, it happens in Johnson Valley, California. Usually at the end of January, beginning of February. And if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about, King of the Hammers. So usually I'm there at Remote Pit, and I will be there once again this year. It is the 20th anniversary. So next vlog is all gonna be about King of the Hammers, the desert races, a little bit behind the scenes, some rock races. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make this a 1-part or 2-parter, but either way, it's gonna be a blast. So lastly, thank you guys to everybody who follows along, who subscribes, who likes, comments, shares. You guys are the best. Very much T-Stone approved. And if you are not, here is your last chance. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.